So to wrap up this section, I thought it would be helpful to share some of my top data visualization best practices. Number one, strive for clarity and simplicity above all else. Power BI has a lot of tools, a lot of features, a lot of bells and whistles, but remember that sometimes less is more. Your goal should be to maximize impact and minimize noise. It's all about balancing design and function. Number two, remember that your job isn't just to build charts and graphs. Your job is to create a narrative. So remember, without context, data is meaningless. Make sure that you're using tools like filters and bookmarks and creating effective visualizations that translate raw data into powerful insights and implications. And finally, always ask yourself three key questions. Number one, what type of data are you visualizing? Is it integer, categorical, time series, geospatial? Based on that, what exactly are you trying to communicate? Are you trying to show a relationship, a composition across categories, a trend over time? And then finally, who is the end user consuming this information? Because the report that you build for an analyst or a fellow colleague may look very different from a report that you would send to an executive. So there you have it. Those are my top broad data viz best practices: clarity and simplicity, creating narratives, and asking yourself those three key questions.